Welcome to another amazing tutorial. As you are about to find out on how I earn $300 per articles writing for the websites I am about to share with you. I will also be showing you how to contact and apply with them and also their rules, with what they want from you as a writer. I will also give you method on how to pitch them and get your articles approved in a simple way. Before I continue, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and comment on the comment section about the video, and don't forget to click on the notification button, so you will be alerted when we upload new videos. Number 1, Elite Personal Finance. This is a website that spend over $100,000 per year for high quality content. And all people who understand finances can write for them. Elite Personal Finance is a highly trusted finance blog with content from some of the best in the finance sector. They are always looking for talented writers who want to share their guest posts on their site. They spend over $100,000 per year for creating high-quality content for our site. Some of these money can be for you. They pay $300 per guest post. If this is of interest to you, send them an email at info@elitepersonalfinance.com with the title of your post idea, and they'll let you know whether to move forward. Once complete, they will compensate you $300 for your hard work. This could become a recurring venture, so don't hesitate to reach out to them. These are some of their rules. Aim for 1,000 to 3,000 words per post. Avoid including any promotional links. Include original artwork if possible. Send as a document attachment. Accepted topics by Elite Personal website: personal finance, business, make money online, save money, loans, credit cards, identity theft, credit report, guides, articles, unique content, helpful tips. Elite Personal Finance accept only unique, interesting, helpful content for their readers. If you want to increase the exposure to your writing and enjoy getting paid for doing so, you are welcome to write for them. If you are worried about whether the post will get approved, before writing, send them an example of a similar post you wrote in the past. Further, this could be a long-term arrangement for you. They are always looking and willing to pay for interesting stories that relate to what they talk about on their blog. Even if you had a post approved just a week ago, you are still welcome to submit more new stories for approval. Here are some frequent asked questions by writers. What if your post gets rejected? They will approve any post they would like to post, even if they have many stocked up and waiting to go live. They will only reject a post if they believe it is not a good for their website, for whatever reason. If this happens, they will suggest you repurpose it for another website. There are many finance sites willing to accept guest posts, although it might be hard to, and many that pay you for doing so. If your post gets rejected, they will give you a reason why. You can communicate with their staff and figure out what types of ideas would be a good one. If you have a website of your own, send a link and they'll get familiar with what you're great at writing about. One of their finance experts could be able to suggest a few ideas for you to consider writing instead. They look forward to seeing what you have to offer. Have an identity theft story to share? They are also willing to compensate you for your own identity theft story, if you have been victimized before. The more unique imagery you can provide, the better. They pay $300 per post on the level of proof you can provide on the way you were victimized. For instance, if it all started after a major data breach, you could reference an email from that company mentioning the compromise of your information. If you have proof off your credit report, censor everything else and show that, and they'll be even more generous. Rules: avoid talking badly about any specific businesses. Make sure not to mention others' names. Keep it 1,000 words at least. Submit it as a document attachment. I will drop some link in the description section for contacting them. Thank you for watching this video. For more upcoming videos on how to make money online, all you need to do is hit the subscribe button and notification button. See you on my next video.